Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So quickly join in so that we can start our today's discussion. All right. So audio and video is perfect from my side, guys. Everything is fine. Yes, Chitra ma'am, very good evening. Very good evening to Sai Praneeth sir, Madhu sir and Divyang sir. Other also guys, very good evening. How are you? कैसे हैं सब लोग? And कैसे चल रहा सब कुछ? ठीक है? घबराहट तो नहीं हो रही अभी? All good? Yes. So today we are going to discuss one final set आपका before your examination. So PPB is all about statements and others. So what you have to do? प्रैक्टिस और रिवाइज. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका रिविजन काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विच विल हेल्प यू in your upcoming examination, so you have to be very careful around that thing. ठीक है, so shall we start guys? Shall we start? Everything is fine, right? Yes. Okay, चलो बातें करते रहेंगे. उससे पहले we'll start the session first. So okay, I'll adjust my screen also. डी ऑल. हाँ, हु इज ही? आपका तन्मय सर. ठीक, तन्मय सर, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. तो like first question on your screen, please quickly go through the question. So quick revision, everyone guys. Tensed, who is tensed? Videographer, who is crazy videographer? So which of the following statement is accurate regarding the TCS आपका CTS, sorry, ठीक है, check truncation system. So we have yes, बिल्कुल सही. So CTS was implemented starting February 1st 2008. Payment for check are processed using electronic image. And third one is, this is third statement, MICR based check processing has been completely discontinued. Now it is आपका true. So what will be your correct answer? All will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, so statement D will be right answer for this particular one. Next one guys, next one. A check payment will be only processed if the check is presented within how many months? ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाए. ठीक है, सो कितना अच्छा रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए, राइट? गुड इवनिंग, वेरी गुड इवनिंग सौरभ सर एंड रानी मैम. यस, हाँ, तो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? 90 days, 3 months. ठीक है, सो when it comes to the areas, the time bounds for these particular instruments, so it is 90 days. Next one. So which of the following statement about deferred payment guarantee are correct? So what will be your correct answer? So deferred payment guarantee allow the importer to pay for capital goods in installment over the period of time. Second statement, deferred payment guarantee provided by the exporter? No, it is usually by the financial institution or a third party, which is usually bank. DPC help the exporter by ensuring timely payment even if the importer goes bankrupt. Yes, 1-3 means option B will be right answer for this one. Why D? Option D. Why D? When it comes to deferred payment guarantee, it is issued by the bank. It is our non-fund based services, right? भूल गए सब लोग? शिवलता मैम, दिव्यांग सर, तन्मय सर, प्रतिभा मैम. यस, हाँ, ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन बी मस्ट बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन. वेरी गुड. हाँ, राहुल सर, सौरभ सर एंड एवरीवन इज सेइंग ऑप्शन बी. तो when it comes to DPC, it is provided by the third party. थोड़ा अब थोड़ा सा अलग बिहेव करने लगे हम लोग INIFS के एग्ज़ाम के बाद. व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस की थोड़ा सा अलग बिहेव कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. ऐसा हो रहा है, ठीक है, दिमाग थोड़ा सा अलग डायरेक्शन में काइंड ऑफ जा रहे हैं. और एल्स लाइक आई एम गेटिंग योर कमेंट्स लेट. सब लोगों ने A B ओके. सो दिस ऐप इज़ वर्किंग फाइन राइट एवरीवन. ओके ओके तनमय सर. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. रिगार्डिंग दी adjustment for weight in priority sector lending achievements, and you have to find out the correct statement. So what will be your correct answer? I can understand that fear of INIFS, ठीक है. And tomorrow most probably what you can expect कि the statement based questions again for half marks and 1 marks and 2 marks will be equally आपका kind of if you talk about the length or the time they'll consume, they'll equally take the time, I guess, ठीक है. So the first statement, district with the lower per capita credit flow less than 6,000 are given weightage of 120%, ठीक है. District with higher per capita income where it is 25,000 and more are distributed by the weightage of the 90%. Weightage frame apply equally to all. No, it is excluding, it should be excluding RRBs, UCBs, LABs and foreign banks आपका, ठीक है. तो ऑप्शन दिस शुड बी राइट आंसर. स्पेशली हाँ, ऑल दीज आर जनरली एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम दिस वन, ठीक है. तो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? ओके, जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute. हाँ, आई विल रिमूव दिस एड, those who are watching on YouTube, so you'll get disturbed otherwise, ठीक है. I'll change this ad वाला things. हाँ, चलो, you just go through the next question guys. Okay, now there will be no advertisement. Next one guys, next one. So regarding the agriculture category under the PSL are correct. Very good guys. Yes. तो first statement आपका, first statement, farm credit include loan to individual and entities engaged in agriculture and allied activities. The ceiling for agriculture infrastructure loan is loan per borrower is आपका, it is 100 crores I guess, ठीक है. So bank can lend NBFC and MFI for on lending in agriculture. Yes, this is also true. This is also true. 1 in 3 means option B should be right answer for this particular one, ठीक है. Is there any changes in this particular one? Because Vinod sir, you have marked option A, Devin sir also, Tanmay sir also, ठीक है. Yes, okay. Devin sir is saying B for this question. It is 100 crore only. Yes, okay, very good. Who is this? Unbiased. Okay, very good. So आपका statement 2 which is incorrect. So the ceiling is 100 crores, not the 50 crores, right? Next one guys, very good, very good. बढ़िया से एकदम सी स्पीड के साथ चलना है, ठीक है. You have to maintain this speed. So quickly, quickly, quickly. Data communication network and electronic fund transfer system. आज ये गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. कल ही हमने किया ये क्वेश्चन. Yesterday only we have solved this question and many people got trapped with the one statement. हाँ, now today everyone is going in a right direction I guess, ठीक है. Kavita ma'am, Manjuna sir, Tanmay sir, the screen is fine right? It is not blur right? please do let me know, otherwise I'll make changes from my side. Okay. So when it comes to the statement 1, which is true, the only statement incorrect is third. Data communication is used, network is for used for the transmission, not for the storage. Fourth one is also true. So 1 2 4, 1 2 4 means आपका ऑप्शन ए विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. ओके, लेट्स गो थ्रू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन. NFS which handle ATM, shared ATM networks in India. So you have to tell the right statement about this one. All right. quickly. So first, NFS was initially developed and deployed by IDRBT in 2004. Later on, आपका this NPCI acquired this particular one. Yes, NFS operations were taken over by the आपका NPCI team, not RBI. So this is wrong. Third statement, your third statement is Aadhaar number seeding classified as basic service under the this particular one team. It is should be for value-added services. This should be also wrong. NFS offers services like interportability of cash deposit and card-to-card fund transfers and all. Yes, 1 and 4. 1 and 4 means C should be right answer for. Very good guys. ठीक है. Yes, हाँ बिल्कुल सही तन्मय सर. So option C will be right answer for that particular question. ठीक है. Very good. Next one. Okay. Which of the following is an example of abuse of power? Ethics वाला question है. ठीक है. From ethics portion. Abuse of power or misuse of power. So first, bank employee goes for the personal travel and claim reimbursement of expenses as official travel, use of official resources for the personal, not showing preference to customer based on proximity of employees. So these all should be right answer in this particular case. Sorry, not showing. No. Third one is not the wrong one. It is not a case of this. Not showing preference to customers based on proximity of no. Option 1 and 2 should be right answer for this particular one. Correct? क्या कहते हो? A आपका? Yes, हाँ Manjuna sir. I also think कि D should be right answer, but A should be right answer for this one. It should be if it is be showing preference आपका. Then it is fine, but it is not showing, so this should be right. ठीक है. A yes, हाँ तो A is आपका 1 and 2 basically. So personal gain or providing gain to friends. ठीक है. The last case is related to R. Showing preference to customer based on proximity to the employees like relatives and friends and others. ठीक है. So but it was mentioned आपका not showing. ठीक है. So that's why that statement is not come under the abuse of power or official positions. Yes, okay, very good. Next one, build a reputation for ethical leadership. How can senior leader build a reputation for ethical leadership? बताइए दोस्तों, जो भी सीनियर लीडर हैं वो सही आंसर करें कृपया करके. ठीक है. जूनियर लीडर्स कैन आंसर. their answer is like if they ask goes wrong also, that is also fine, but senior leaders must have to answer. Okay? Those who are at branch manager level and all, those who are giving target to the team members, taking target from regional and head offices and passing on to their employees. Anyone who is here? तो क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर आपका? सो build a reputation for ethical leadership is basically when you are that is based on the moral ground, ठीक है? So by discussing ethics frequently and setting an example through their actions, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि आप कर लो वाला नहीं है. So they are lead by examples kind of things, right? Yes, very good. Next one, next question, guys. Mandate. So which of the following statement is correct about mandate? Pratibha ma'am is like कि भैया I'm not that person, ठीक है? I'm at assistant manager, ठीक है? Everything is clear, हाँ? तन्मय सर आपका क्या सीन है? If Tanmay sir will become manager, he'll be like, now I'm the boss, you have to do everything in branch, you have to sale, huh? Okay, so mandate can be revoked by account holders at any time. Yes, it can be. ठीक है. Second one is institute are required to issue mandate. No, आपका power of attorney. ठीक है. For them we have power of attorney. A mandate is typically temporary and valid for short duration. हाँ, this can be so okay. Option D will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Awesome. Good going. Next one. Measure to prevent money laundering. So what we can do to prevent the money laundering activities? Module A. Prevent the spread of criminal activities in society. Protect the economy from the financial crimes. Stop terrorists from accessing financial resources. Yes, option D will be right answer. All the statements mentioned are correct. Next one. Which of the following statements are correct regarding minor capacity to contract under the Indian Contract Act 1872? ठीक है. Minor capacity to contract under Contract Act 1872. Section ठीक है. Section 11 which generally bar minor from entering into the contract itself. No, Jasila ma'am, Section 11 bar minors to enter into this one. Like as per Section 11, only person who have majority they can only enter into this one. Option B should be right answer for this one. A minor can enter into a valid contract only for the supply of necessities, life suitable and to their status and others. हाँ, B only should be right answer for the yes necessities of life. B only will be right answer for this particular one. Correct है. Next one आपका next one. Section 11 of Indian Contract Act. A person must have attained the age of maturity. ठीक है. So that is the clause आपका. Next one, guys. Next one. Not true regarding the current account. Not true. Incorrect about the current accounts. हाँ, धन में से अभी बता रहे हो प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया. ठीक है, कहते इसका कुछ बंदोबस्त. No, A should not be right answer for this one. D, yes, I'll also go with D. A minor cannot open a current account even if it is operated by the natural guardian itself. ठीक है. So option D will be right answer for this one. So they cannot open these account cannot be opened by the आपका minors, right? So D will be right answer for this one. Next one, guys. statement based question or essay, small case studies you can expect. Okay, that was one only, sorry. ओके ओके, तन्मय से कहते हैं इसका कुछ बंदोबस्त, कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा आई हेल्प यू आउट विद दिस. Yes. Option C should be right answer. Very good, guys. Awesome. ठीक है. So option C will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. तो bankers lien and the areas related to that particular one. Next one. Bank are required to transfer the credit balance or any unclaimed in inactive deposit in the account that has been dormant. Okay, for how many years? 10 years आपका, ठीक है. So this was easy actually. And within 3 months you have to transfer to, within 3 months or 90 days we have to transfer to depositor education and awareness funds आपका, ठीक है, after reaching 10 years. Yes. Next one. Incorrectly match. So which of the following is incorrectly matched? ओके बताइए दोस्तों, इनकरेक्टली मैच. Indra ma'am, Divyang said this answer for this question or the previous question? If for this question, so your answer is right. Not permanently resident. Okay. So a person resident outside India is a citizen of India. This is basically NRI. Okay. Not permanently resident. They are not part of this one. Okay. So D will be right answer for this particular one. Okay. So whereas NRI is a person who resident outside India, who is a citizen of India. Correct है? So that was around the आपका. Next one, guys. Next one. Very good. Well done, guys. लगे रहो. So which of the following documents allow foreign tourists to reconvert rupee withdrawn from ATM up to 50,000? So valid passport and visa, air ticket, and original ATM withdrawal slip, or for the debit credit cards produced. So all of the above will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. Next one. हाँ ठीक है, आने वाले आपके क्वेश्चन तन्मय सर. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन गाइस, प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन. Incorrect regarding NRO account where we NRI hold income earned or generated from India. ठीक है. NRO, NRE, you have to remember few things. NRE plus FCNR. Basically these are the foreign sources. ठीक है. The income आपका is generally from foreign sources. So it can like if that NRI is maintaining these accounts, they are fully repatriable. ठीक है. Means he can bring back that money to the आपका home country, जहाँ पे भी अभी वो रह रहा है वहाँ पे he can bring back this particular money. ठीक है. He can make investment from these two accounts to SNRR accounts. ठीक है. And even these are not subject matter of taxes in India. SNRR account is when the person is having some business interest in India. So he can open SNRR accounts for the business operation. This is also based on repatriations. After paying the taxes and others, he can repatriate this particular money. But he cannot transfer money from NRO to आपका SNRR account. It is prohibited, right? Because this is India's income. Okay? Income from rent, royalty, patent and others. So what do you suggest guys in this particular case? Okay, B and A and others answer. Achha, okay. Incorrect about the non-resident ordinary accounts. Any person resident outside India? नहीं, ये NRI के लिए हो रहा है दोस्तों, ठीक है. This is not for this one. We open RFC account. RFC foreign आपका है, उनके accounts होंगे, ठीक है. Only local payments and transfers to another NRO accounts are permissible. No, sorry. What we have to find out? We have to find out the incorrect statement. This is actually not related to this. Any outside India foreign nationals visiting India eligible to open NRO accounts. Okay, I'm not sure about the statement one. Recurring deposit is not permitted under the NRO accounts. They are allowed in recurring. Acha, okay, sorry. Now I understood. No, option C should be right answer. It is incorrect statement, guys. So what we have to find out, recurring deposit are not permitted. It is also, it can be formed in the आपका saving account, FD, RD, recurring deposit or any other form आपका, ठीक है, that can be in this particular one, ठीक है. RD not permitted to FCNR भी, yes, बिल्कुल सही. C होगा ना फिर आंसर आपका. Tanmay sir, why you are going for B then? Option C, it is आपका, it is permitted, ठीक है. For NRO, it is C should be right answer for this one. Very good. हाँ, Saurabh sir, mark the correct answer. Anyone else who is with C? Your explanation is around C, but your answer is B. ऐसे क्यों? ठीक है. Ordinary this. So saving current FD RD, so it can be maintained in these particular one, right? Yes, हाँ, बिल्कुल सही है. चलो next one guys. Next is about the SNRR account. So special non-resident rupee accounts, it is generally for the business purposes, and this account is valid for how many years? कितने साल के लिए होता है? तो आपका 7, ठीक है. So when NRI having some business interest in India, they can maintain to do the transaction in that particular business. So they'll open an account with Indian bank that will be categorized as SNRR account, ठीक है. This is for 7 year. After 7 years, this will आपका the account will become inoperative, ठीक है. So they cannot do transaction in that particular one. And in between, when NRI become Indian citizen, ठीक है, तो this account will automatically get converted under the your rupee accounts, ठीक है. So a normal account, saving accounts and all, current account in case of business. Next one guys, next one. Which of the following statement is correct regarding foreign currency account in India? Okay, what will be a correct answer? Very good, Madhu sir. Option C will be right answer for this particular one, okay. So option C will be right answer for this particular question. Very good guys. Next one. Which of the following bank product is designed to provide for periodical disbursement or receipt for the payment of salaries and others? We use this one. or even for the government benefits also. So the name of the application is NAS. Okay? So National Automated Clearing House Payment Facility. B will be next one. RBI has mandated several measures since the mid 80s to improve the payment mechanism in the country. So one is CFMS. So what is the full form of CFMS? Okay, basically RBI, like when entities maintain current account with RBI, so for that current account transactions get handled by this one. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा correct answer? Centralized fund management system. So option B will be right answer for this one. So centralized fund management system, set up, operated and maintained by RBI to enable operations on current account maintained at various offices of the bank through standard message format in a secure manner also, right? Next one guys, which of the following condition must be met for holding a person liable for dishonor of check due to insufficiency of funds or exceeding the arrangement under section 138 of NI Act 1881? Divyang sir, very good. दिव्यांग सर लाइक मेरे को ऐसे लगते हैं पीपीबी के टॉपर हैं हमारे, ठीक है. दिव्यांग सर विल बी पीपीबी टॉपर गाइस. एनी कंपटीशन फॉर दिव्यांग सर? आई बिलीव कि दिव्यांग सर विल स्कोर मैक्सिमम इन पीपीबी. क्या कहते हैं आप लोग जनता? एग्रीड और नॉट? सो यस, हाँ, बिकॉज ऑल द स्टेटमेंट मेंशन हियर आर करेक्ट. चेक मस्ट बी प्रेजेंटेड विद इन its validity period. A demand for payments must be made through notice of 30 days and draw this be. So option D should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. Next one guys, next one. अच्छा, tomorrow who all are going in first shift? Vinod sir, you still going in first shift? Vinod sir, Kavita ma'am. हाँ, Vinod sir, Kavita ma'am, the entire team is going at one center only, na? This time also you got a same center or a different center? And Tanmay sir, you are going at like which shift? First or second? हाँ, तो दिव्यांग सर प्लीज हेल्प मी विद दैट. आपका हाँ, लास्ट टाइम आई गॉट स्केर्ड बिकॉज लाइक आई हैव मैनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम विनोद सर, ठीक है. सो एंड विनोद सर फोन वॉज साइलेंट टिल 1 hour 45 minutes. आई गॉट रियली स्केर्ड दैट डे, ठीक है. हाँ, कविता मैम इज ऑल्सो गेइंग दिस सेम वन. ओके, हाँ, सेकेंड तन्मय सर इन सेकेंड शिफ्ट. तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली दिव्यांग सर and Vinod sir, Kavita ma'am, these people will help for the exam analysis, ठीक है. And when you come out, please do ping me once, ठीक है. Saurabh sir is also going in first shift up. And check your venue, huh? Sometimes they change the venue. Change venue means you can have multiple venues, right? I'll also go with this statement. Just a minute, I'll cross verify. Company accountant study check. हाँ, even if it is case of forge आपका, ठीक है. Yes, option B should be right answer for this one. Yes, हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. So option B, which is the right answer for this one. आपका सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया in the case of Canara Bank versus Canara Sales Corporation. Okay, this is the case from that particular one itself, right? Chalo. Next one, guys. Next one. First one is 100% true. We know, sir, it work on DNS system. Yeah, it is NEFT. NEFT work on upper deferred net settlement, 48 batches. Why you people are going to option B or option A? Sorry, yeah, B is the right answer. Yeah, NEFT work on this particular one, right? Very good, Rani ma'am. Another. So option B will be right answer for this one. NEFT work on the DNS system only, right? Next one, the claim in respect of declared locker hirer should be settled and content of the locker released within maximum of dash days from the date of receipt from the claim. How many days, guys? Yes, very good. 15 days. Awesome. Okay, so 15 days will be right answer for this particular one. Next one, incorrect regarding to Rural Self-Employment Training Institute, RSETI. RSETI. Incorrect statement. You have to find out incorrect statement. And देख के डी बोल दिया तन्मय सर. No. Second statement is fine, na? What is the issue with this one? RSCTI are managed by bank. These are managed by bank with the active corporation from the government of this. This is true. First one is wrong. Okay? And this is also true, right? So it is not by RBI. It is managed by bank where we provide training to the आपका. Okay, I need to clear this one. Otherwise, people will have confusion. So this is wrong. This is initiative of bank. Okay? And these statements are true. Okay? Next two statements are true. A will be right answer, guys. A will be right answer. Under the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 21, what is the maximum amount of ombudsman can direct as compensation which is lower than the consequential losses suffered by the complaint? So it is how much? Aapka 20 lakhs, right? So it is aapka 20 lakhs. Okay, please go through these three statements. शरद सर कॉन्सियस का डी आप थोड़ा लेट चले, मेरे को लग रहा है आपका जो आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, इनकरेक्ट रिगार्डिंग दी इंटीग्रेटेड ऑम्बुड्समैन स्कीम 21. At present these numbers, like this number is old maybe, but the incorrect statement should be आपका 10. ठीक है, A only. So when it comes to a person with grievance can file the complaint with central reserve with this through an advocate. ठीक है, you don't require advocate in this particular case, right? It is personally, not through this one. ठीक है, तो option A only will be right answer for this particular question. Correct है. Next one, guys. Ma'am, Manisha ma'am, I have already uploaded. ठीक है, I have already uploaded for all the 4 modules. Please do check that आपका file section. ठीक है, and even mock, I have updated mock test also. Modularized mock test and others are there. So you can download from that one. Okay, you can ping me on app still if you don't find this, and please do it if you do not found the one before 9:30, because 9:30 I have one another session for CIP. ठीक है, otherwise I'll be available at 12 o'clock, then it will be late. चलो, तो बताइए गाइस क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, विनोद सर, दिव्यांग सर, इंदिरा मैम आर सेइंग ए. हाँ बिल्कुल सही, डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर्स. ठीक है, so debtor and so it is, please do remember these things, the flow also Arjun and SDFC. Sometime what they'll do SDFC, let's say आपका Arjun and SDFC, and they can reverse the statement. हाँ, this is the statement which is आपका mentioned there also, so you have to be bit careful around these one. Very good guys, this chart is very important for all of you. Please do revise this one. Next one. हाँ, इंदिरा मैम इज ऑल्सो लाइक फॉर PPB. आपका आर कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर दिव्यांग सर इज इंदिरा मैम. ठीक है, सो इंदिरा मैम ऑल्सो लाइक शी इज वेरी गुड इन PPB. एंड इंदिरा मैम, यू आर गोइंग इन विच शिफ्ट, फर्स्ट शिफ्ट और सेकेंड शिफ्ट? एंड यू हैव टू कॉम्पनसेट मार्क्स फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस फॉर प्रीवियस एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. So not true about lease financing. Not true about lease financing. अच्छा, last shift. Okay, ठीक है मैम. So you have to find out incorrect statement. The first statement is incorrect. Second, आपका revenue expense, this is true. Lease finance means leasing out the capital asset owned by institution to another company and they are getting rental. In lease finance, the lessee of the equipments become the owner of the asset. Not necessarily, it is in certain areas. So 1 and 4 means A should be right answer for this particular one. Okay, chalo, next one guys, next one. Ma'am, I have uploaded an app. ठीक है, see what happened in Telegram. If I'll upload, you will join, then someone else will join, then it is a आपका issue. So just do, if you'll see the आपका application free material section, JAIIB folder is there, and JAIIB folder आपका, if you'll click on JAIIB folder, so PPB subject is there. Or you, हाँ, do connect me on, like if you don't get those things, ping me on app only. ठीक है, so because it is easy for me to share from there, right? Next one guys, next one. Okay, Kavita ma'am is saying option C. The identification, the definition of customer under KYC include both person in whose name the transaction is conducted and acting on behalf. Yes, a bank KYC policy must be reviewed at least once in 3 years. आपका ठीक है, no, once in a year, once in a year. So this is wrong. The primary purpose of obtaining customer introduction before 22 was anti-money laundering regulation. No, this is also wrong. It was NI Act. NI Act. So this is also wrong. So what we have to find out incorrect 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means option C will be right answer for this one. You have to find out incorrect statement, and 2 and 3 are incorrect in this particular case. ठीक है, Manisha ma'am, you got your answer. Next one guys. Who should appointed as the responsible for functioning of AML compliance in the case? कौन होता है? होल टाइम डायरेक्टर्स. ठीक है, तो कौन है होल टाइम डायरेक्टर्स? Z है, तो Z है मतलब C है. ठीक है, Z है मतलब C है आपका. ठीक है, यस, बिल्कुल सही. सो ऑप्शन C विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. नेक्स्ट वन गाइस. What does a bank perform when it pays electricity and telephone bill on behalf of customers. So what is the relationship? Basically it is related to relationship. तो कौन सा होता है आपका agents, ठीक है. So agent and principal. So we work as a agent in that particular case, right? Next one. If the content of safe deposit locker are lost due to incident like fraud by bank employees, तो it is how many times आपका the fee paid, उसका how many time रेंटल जो है उसका 100 टाइम, ठीक है. सो 100 टाइम आपका, दैट इज इजी वन अगेन. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. So for low risk customer, periodic updation of record must be done at least, ठीक है. So we have low risk, we have medium and we have high risk, ठीक है. तो high risk आपका in every 2 years, medium आपका 8 years and this is आपका 10 years, ठीक है. Please correct me if I'm wrong, ठीक है. So D should be right answer for this particular question, correct है. Yes, D. Rani ma'am, why A? It is high, it is low risk. It is low risk, है ना. So high risk required in 2 years, ठीक है. Next one. Statement regarding joint accounts, ठीक है. Joint accounts. तो क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? What we have to find out? Correct statement. Yes. So what will be your correct answer? Statement 1 and 2. So third is wrong, means A will be correct answer for this particular one. So documents are required for all the account holders, not the primary account holders, okay. Next one, power of attorney. Next question is based on POA, power of attorney. So power of attorney is issued for a specific period and limit the authority of this. It is about journal, so it is for आपका, it should be wrong, ठीक है. Journal is for all, specific आपका which is for the specific purposes and all. For this thing we have specific, right. Second आपका POA must be executed in present of this, yes. Third one is principal can revoke, yes. 2 and 3 means option B will be right answer for this particular question, okay. Okay, so please go through this particular question. I'll be needing 2 minutes. I have to change the place आपका, ठीक है. So please go through this particular one and try to submit your answer. I'll change once you're done, I'll change the question also. Just allow me 2 minutes, huh? So Manisha ma'am, just tell Ram Kumar sir also how to get it. Yeah, now Manisha ma'am will tell how to get it. Ram sir, So yes, the first question I'll come back to that particular one. ठीक है. Tanmay, Divyang sir, now it is fine, right? The first question I'll first discuss this one. ठीक है. तो FEMA replace आपका FERA in 1999. So this was wrong. So first state FEMA can be in FEMA came into effective from June 1st 2000. This is true. Under FEMA, foreign exchange offenses are treated as civil offense. This is also wrong. The next one is FEMA is not applicable to आपका gift IFSC. Here we have IFSC A. Then here the next one is FEMA permit individual residing in India to hold foreign currency acquired while they were non-resident or this true. ठीक है. तो 245 means B is the right answer for this one. Next question which we are going through, आप लोग क्या बोल रहे हो, A और B different answer for this one. ठीक है. तो आपका अब collecting bank under section 131 of negotiable instrument act. So what will be your correct answer? Statement 1, the check must be collected for a customer whose identity has been verified as per the KYC. True. Banker is protected even if the check was not crossed, and if you have crossed, then you are not protected again. Statement 3, banker must act in good faith and without negligence. It is without negligence, 100% true. So 1 and 3 means आपका option A will be right answer for this particular one. Very good guys. Next one. तो no, Ram sir, I'll help you. Ram sir, you just I hope you have the application right. अगर नहीं है तो बताइएगा. So if you'll go through the application ना, so if you'll go to the free material section, ठीक है, तो go to application right now, side by side, ठीक है, left side if you'll click free material section, there is a folder JIB, ठीक है, we have folder for CIB also और आपका JIB also, तो just click on JIB folder and then you can click on PPB. Do it right now, I'll guide you. So NEFT आपका NEFT. So what NEFT transaction are settled individually in real time? No. The next one is each NEFT participating bank branch is assigned IFSC. Yes. NEFT facilities facilitate one-way fund transfer from India to Nepal under this. Yes. 2 and 3 means B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. Next one, guys. App. What phone you are using, Ram sir? Just a minute, I'll help you out. Which phone you are using? Android. If you are using Android, Ram sir, can you see this one? Okay, so only government-owned organizations such as post office, panchayat, and can be appointed business facilitator. Wrong here. Business facilitator are authorized person to take perform tasks like creating awareness about the saving debt. This 100% true. NGO, self-help group, agri-business are eligible for function business facilitator as per RBI guidelines. True है. 2 and 3 आपका again option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good guys. Next one. Regarding the penalties imposed by Central Information Commission under RTI. So what will be your correct answer? 250 per day, true है, but this is आपका up to 25,000. ठीक है, 250 to 25,000. ठीक है, तो this is wrong then. Second statement, CIC can recommend disciplinary action if CPIO knowingly provide incorrect information. Yes. CIC impose penalty without giving the concerned party. No. They'll first have to give the this. So what we have to find out, incorrect. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means option C will be right. Incorrect statement. Yes. You have to find out incorrect statement. तो आपका ऑप्शन सी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंडिंग, यूनिट 1 ओनली फ्रॉम मॉड्यूल बी. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंडिंग. ओके राम सर, गॉट इट. चलो बढ़िया. नेक्स्ट वन. सो अबाउट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंडिंग एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Very fast, huh? Vinod sir is like full competitive person, huh? Anita ma'am also entered in the competition. Safety is the most important principle of lending. Secure this, yes. Second statement, liquidity focus on the money lend. No, not tie-up. It is आपका how easily we can liquidate that funds. Third one, profitability is an essential principle ensuring that bank earn fair returns to pay dividend in this. Yes. Diversification is आपका it is diversification of portfolios and others. Concentration is like you are having limited portfolio, limited type of assets in your portfolio. This is also true. 135 means option C will be right answer for this particular. Very good guys, well done. Option 3 C will be right answer for this particular one. Next one, correct regarding bill finance. Correct regarding bill finance. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है. सो इफ आपका बिल फाइनेंस फैसिलिटी इज ऑलरेडी ग्रांटेड, सो दिस विल बी लोअर अमाउंट. बिल को एक्सेप्टेंस इज अ फंड बेस्ड ऑन फैसिलिटी दैट रिक्वायर banker to extend the finance against the bill. The proceeds from the discounted bill are credited to borrower's cash credit or overdraft account, and the outstanding amount is cleared when the bill is paid by the buyer. आपका ठीक है. तो 2 and 3 means option C should be right answer for this particular one. Very good guys, great going. Working capital from the following statements. Ram Kumar, you have landed on, Ram Kumar sir, you have landed on application. Now you have to click left side, and if you'll go to there, so you'll be easily able to find those one. So if you're still facing any doubt, please do let me know so I can guide you. Anyone else also. So gross working capital refer to the capital invested in total current assets. आपका gross working capital, okay. This is true. Net working capital is difference between current asset and current liabilities. Third statement, working capital is also operating capital, short-term capital. Net working capital ratio of less than this, it is risk. Okay, it is a risk. Next one, working capital gap is difference between current asset and this. आपका true. So 135 means D will be right answer for this one. Why A? Anita ma'am, Manjuna sir, D. Okay? D will be right answer. Fourth one is wrong. Okay? Ratio less than 1. It is mentioned less than 1. Let's say you required 1 crore rupees for 1 year operation. So it is aapka 1:1. But let's say you required 1 crore rupees and you have 50 lakh rupees only. That means your current आपका ratio is 0.50:1. That means you have runway for 6 months only. ठीक है. And now you have either you have to increase the sale or you have to go for the cost cutting. That is a kind of dangerous. ठीक है. So that is the case in this case. Next one. true regarding the assessment of business activity viability for the term loan. इजी है, बहुत इजी है गाइस. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, viability of the business activity is to determine by projecting sales and production cost over the entire tenure. Second statement is wrong. Term appraisal not only financial projection, also the overall आपका assessment about the business. Third one is the business cash flows from the businesses and all, ठीक है, and the competition or the business risk also. Third one is the cash surplus generated from the operation must be sufficient to cover annual this too. 1 and 3 means आपका option C will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. Next one, guys. Uh, the, the requisite of a good and acceptance security for bank lending. The borrower should have absolute ownership on the asset. Second one, the asset should have more frequent and wide fluctuation to the trading. No, it is hard to आपका evaluate or evaluate these type of assets. Their value keep changing. So the security should be easily marketable and transferable. Yes, it is. Security must be durable and easy to store in case of plus. Yes. Market value of security should be easily ascertainable or determinable. Yes. The 1 3 4 5 1 3 4 5 means statement A only will be right answer for this particular question. Next one, guys. Vinod sir is saying B. Secure loan require the borrower to provide acceptable asset as collateral. Second one, secure loan, also unsecured loan called the clean loan. Clean loan आपका unsecured loan, ठीक है. This is wrong. Secured loan reduce the credit risk for bank by creating charge. True. Unsecured loan bank rely primarily on borrowers' personal integrity and credit worthiness. All secured loan are granted without assessing note. ठीक है, every loan get granted आपका with assessment. तो one what we have to find out correct statement. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा correct statement आपका 1 3 4 1 3 4 means okay we don't have option. Okay, we don't have option in this case actually. चलो, it is mentioned D. 1 3 4 are correct. ठीक है, 1 3 4 are correct here also. Okay, now I'll change the question. Incorrect. ठीक है, incorrect. If it go for incorrect, then आपका these two will be right answer, and then आपका D will be right answer for this one. ठीक है. Next one, guys. The principal must provide a written consent for the agency. No, it is like there is no written consent. आपका ठीक है, this is wrong. Principal is owner, proprietor, agent are managers. An agent can delegate their duties to sub-agents only if the custom of trade allow it. Yes, an agent can exceed their authority and still have the principal automatically ratify the actions. No, this is wrong. अपने मन से नहीं कर सकते. No consideration is required to create this one. And the agent must act as principal. हाँ, this is also true. So 245 means option B should be right answer for this. No, option B will be right answer, guys. A was what? A क्या था आपका? 2 3. 3 is wrong ना. An agent can exceed their authority, still have principal, automatically ratify the action. No, मतलब ये आपका कह रहा है कि like agent automatically increasing their authority दायरा without any having approval from this one, or even if something is wrong, so principal will be accountable for that one. Wrong. Next one, guys. Documentation ensure that borrowers identify and security the properly identified this documentation. This हाँ true है, no doubt. Non-compliance with legal provision not affect, it will affect आपका, ठीक है, wrong है. So this is true, correct. So 1 in 3 means again option B will be right answer. D, why D? Silva लेता मैं. So option B will be right answer for this particular one, correct है. Next one. SARFAESI Act apply to creation of security interest in movable property. Okay, no, it is for immovable property. ठीक है. So this is wrong. First statement is wrong, guys. Second one, a secured creditor can take action under SARFAESI Act within 3 years from the case of action, from the cause of action. Yes, it can be. Third statement, a lien on good under the Indian Contract Act 1872 is excluded from the provision of SARFAESI Act. This should be also correct. Next one, company, if a company violates SARFAESI Act, only the company, no, the person or the officer will be also आपका accountable. SARFAESI Act has overriding effects on other act आपका. Yes, this is true. So 235 means option C will be right answer for the. Very good, guys. Well done, guys. Well done. Next one. सो इट इज़ प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना. ठीक है, योजनाओं को देख करके आपको थोड़ा डर लग रहा होगा, आई नो. So it is not, first of all, it is not mandatory. Aadhaar is mandatory for availing the crop insurance under this. Basic cover scheme is like drought, flood, and pest attack. Yes. Losses due to war and nuclear risk are excluded. The sum insured is calculated using scale of finance or a notional average value done by actuaries. ठीक है, तो 2 3 4 5. So option B will be right answer for this particular question. Correct है. Next one, guys. Next one. LAN, local area network. Okay, yesterday only we discussed about the LAN. क्या बताया था मैंने आपको केबल का नाम? इट वॉज कैट 5E, राइट? कैट 5E, राइट? हाँ, कैट 5E for this. That this is right, this is wrong. Central node server LAN provide and control all the network devices. In LAN, each system connected is known as node. Yes, this is also true. LAN setup requires special software to handle simultaneous service requests from this. Yes, 1345. 1345 means option A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Next one, next one. uh, the statement about CBS core banking system, and you have to find out the true statement. Okay. CBS use a decentralized, no, it is centralized, wrong hai. CBS is limited to branch and does not integrate. It does integrate digital channels and others. The software used in CBS integrate with delivery channels like ATM, telebanking, and others. Yes, this is true. A disaster recovery site ensure business continuity during the system downtime. Yes. Business process re-engineering help bank to streamline their processes by this one, right? 345. 345 means uh, 345. 345. We do not have 345 here. हाँ it should be 5 actually. ठीक है, गड़बड़ हुआ है. D should be right answer ना, writing हाँ. Yes, so 3 4 5 which are true and the first two statements are wrong. Next one, guys. Okay, so password must be minimum 8 characters, and the another one is the same password can be used after a certain period. No, this is also wrong. Multi-user and multi-factor authentication should be enforced for a certain critical module in the system. The next one is critical operating system password should be kept under the dual control. Password should be stored. No, it should not be stored anywhere. 2, 3, and 4 means D. Yes, very good. Next one. True regarding bank role and responsibilities under CBS. the only incorrect statement out of these is आपका statement 2. Rest all are correctly mentioned. ठीक है. So what will be your correct answer? 1, 3, 4, 5 means D will be right answer for this one. ठीक है. 2 was incorrect because bank need periodic review and report, not just the hard copies and all. Right. Next one. White label ATM and brown label ATMs. कल कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ था, आज नहीं होना चाहिए. So first statement, white label ATMs are owned by NBFCs. True. Second, RBI first introduced in 2002. That is also true. ठीक है. Third statement आपका अच्छा, you have to find out incorrect statement. हाँ, please be careful. Incorrect statement, guys. Third, display banking and signage no. टाटा इंडिकेस का एग्जाम्पल हमने कर लिया था. कस्टमर कैन यूज बैंक कार्ड एट वाइट लेबल ATMs. ब्राउन लेबल ATMs आर ओन्ड बाय बैंक एंड विद सर्विस प्रोवाइडर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हार्डवेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस. आपका इट शुड बी रिवर्स. 6th आपका स्पॉन्सर बैंक इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कैश मैनेजमेंट एंड कनेक्टिविटी इन ब्राउन लेबल ATMs. वाइट लेबल ATMs can earn revenue from interchange, a fee from the customers. No. The RBI require the non-bank entities operate white label ATM in tier 1. It is आपका majorly semi-urban and rural areas. Brown label ATM can be operated by service providers who lease the ATM to bank. True. कौन सा बेटर है से D. Okay. 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. 3, 5, 7, 8. ठीक है. Which are the wrong statement about this one? ठीक है. Yes, D will be right answer for this one. Next one. Statement regarding mobile wallet. So mobile wallet store payment details in a secure and encoded format. True. Mobile wallet can be used only for online. They can be for both. Non-bank mobile wallet provider require PPI license from RBI. True. Mobile wallet can completely replace the need of smartphone. No, they need smartphone to आपका execute these transaction. Wallet help lower payment processing. Yes. So 135 means option A only will be right answer for this particular question. Next one, PPI, and you have to find out the correct statement. So first statement is 100% true. Closed system PPI instrument required RBI approval. No. Open system they require. Merchant are establishment that accept PPI for good services. This true. 1 and 3 means option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, Divyang sir. Next one is neo banking. Neo banking through आपका brick and mortar or physical branches. No. ठीक है. These are completely आपका online. They are not established on brick and mortar system. ठीक है. Or physical branch system. Neobank primarily target tech-savvy customers. Yes. In India, neobank work in collaboration with traditional bank. Yes. 2 and 3 means ठीक है. Option B will be right answer for this particular question. Next one, guys. NASH, National Automated Clearing House, and you have to find out the correct statement. Correct statement about the NAS. So NAS was launched to consolidate multiple ECS system and harmonize standard and practices across India. NAS support Aadhaar based transaction to aid financial inclusion also. NAS system is used only government? No. Private also use these one and two. A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Next one. Following statement which are true regarding the use of technology in banking. Use of technology in banking. Technology enable fingertip access to bank worldwide through ATMs and online services. EDI, electronic data interchange, involves sending unstructured free format messages between bank. So it should be आपका structured, not unstructured. ठीक है. EDI is designed for automatic processing of structured data without manual intervention. Yes. Email is primarily used in bank for transmitting structured business documents under the standard format. Email is for unstructured आपका. Edifact provide universal standards for communication through this particular one. True. So 135 means option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Artificial intelligence. Okay. So following statement about artificial intelligence in banking are true. AI can be used for predictive analysis and fraud detection or prevention. AI driven mobile app provide only basic services without personalization. No, personalization is also there आपका. ठीक है. So as per the customer requirements and all, it fetch the data. Collaboration between human and machine is essential to achieve the highest level of AI result. Yes. Next one is AI component like machine learning, computer vision, and natural language generation is enhanced banking. This AI solely focus on improving the speed of back office operation without affecting customer experiences. AI solely focus on improving the आपका speed of back office operation without, okay, it should be with आपका customer experience also. So what 135 means C should be right answer for this one or something else. Okay, sorry, 135 is this, right? D should be right answer for this particular one. Correct hai? Yes, very good, guys. Next one about digital lending in India. So we have two type of lending: balance sheet based and marketplace based. Digital lending, balance sheet and marketplace. NBFCs, they have a primary fintech platform are primary in this case. Balance sheet lending carry credit risk on their balance sheet and provide capital of loan. Yes. Marketplace lending do not take credit risk. They sell the loan of other product, other companies. P2P lendings, an example of marketplace lending. Majority of loan disbursed digitally by bank are personal loan, MSCs and others. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 means option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Next one. Next one. Consider the following statement regarding business ethics. Ethics in business apply to all decision making and operational activities. True है. Business ethic involve relationship only with external stakeholders. No, it is for internal and external both आपका. Business organization must align its operation with social principles और आपका सोशल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ गुड एंड बैड और द एथिकल ग्राउंड्स. तो 1 and 3. So ethics is all about what is right, how to achieve that right, and what is bad, how to avoid that bad. Every organization, they have their own kind of they have their own moral ground, how they should interact with others. Okay, so that is your ethics. Ethical dilemma. Let's see how many people remember this one. Ethical dilemma. This get asked many time. क्या होगा आंसर? So ethical dilemma. Sai Pranay sir, Divyang sir, yes, very good. So when it comes to आपका, when you select, when you are in a, आपका, it is called dilemma is धर्म संकट. ठीक है, you have to choose between two right. ठीक है, so which to opt आपका, that is your ethical dilemma. Very good guys. Option A will be right answer for this one. ठीक है, A आपका guys. देखो see, if you'll go with your intuition in others, that will be wrong. Please do remember this. Ethical dilemma is all about like when you are in a situation where you have to make a choice between A and B. Both are right. Now you have to select which right. ठीक है, so that is the case. दोनों ही सही रास्ते हैं. If you opt this one, so there is आपका यहाँ ये लोग बुरा मानेंगे. अगर आप इनको चुनते हैं ये बुरा मानेंगे. ठीक है, so how we should make decision for that one, we have moral compass. ठीक है, so when it comes to moral compass, so आपका Professor Lin Payne was the person who come up with this one. He provided 4 lenses. This get asked 100% time अभी तक. अब इस बार मैं कुछ और ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं. ठीक है, so we have 4 areas here. ठीक है, so 4 lenses: purpose, then we have principle, then we have people, and then we have power. ठीक है, so purpose, principle, this. ठीक है, तो अब purpose is part of this one. This should be here. Yes. So these are the 4 lenses which are generally part of this particular, and they get asked many times. So you have to be very comfortable with these 4. आपका will be action worthwhise, then आपका action consistent with the relative principles of the organization. Does this action respect the alignment claim of the people, those who generally are usually they are categorized as stakeholders. ठीक है, do we have power to take decision in all. ठीक है, they are generally part of this particular one. Next one, which of the following is not true regarding insider trading? Incorrect about insider trading. Insider trading involved based on non-public trading based on non-public information that could impact the stock prices. As per the rule, employee need to make annual declaration of stock holding. SEBI आपका regulate this one. तो 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means A will be right answer for this one. No, 2 and 3 is this. This is A actually. This is A. This is आपका 2 and 3. D will be right answer for this particular question. Very good guys. Conflict of interest may be arise. So conflict is basically clashes of ideas. When 2 person having different ideas about the same process, तो there will be some classes. These classes are defined as conflict. ठीक है, जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, आपका अपवाद, विवाद. ठीक है, so it can be between employee and within employees, 2 employees, आपका bank and client, and आपका employee and bank employee and आपका client, or it can be employee and bank also. So all, ठीक है, these, the fight can be between all these parties and all, right? चलो दोस्तों, next one. True about the ethics of banker. Person in the middle management may be deployed as trainer and coaches as they have less gap with these two. Okay? Senior leaders should only talk about ethics occasionally, as frequent discussion may seem redundant. This is true actually, ठीक है, बट हाँ फंडामेंटली दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू, ठीक है, मतलब इन रियल लाइफ दिस इज़ ट्रू, ऐसा होना चाहिए हर दिन, मतलब हमें ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए, बट फंडामेंटली एग्जाम वाइज दिस इज़ आपका रॉन्ग। हाँ, नेक्स्ट वन गाइस, नेक्स्ट वन। A bank is onboarding a new customer who wish to open a joint account with two other individuals. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? विल डिनाई द अकाउंट ओपनिंग फॉर ऑल द जॉइंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स, ठीक है, सो बी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन। नेक्स्ट वन। So which of the following statement regarding central KYC record registry are correct? अच्छा, इट इज़ अपलोडेड, हाँ आई गॉट कन्फ्यूज, हाँ इट इज़ 10 days, ठीक है, इट इज़ 10 days, तो 1 2 3 आर ट्रू, सो ऑप्शन ए विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन। यस 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 सर, गॉट इट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्नोलॉजी रिक्वायरमेंट्स इज मैंडेटरी फॉर आपका VCIP, वीडियो बेस्ड कस्टमर आइडेंटिफिकेशन प्रोसेस, तो व्हाट विल बी योर राइट आंसर? A only will be right answer. Very good. Next one. How many stages are generally involved in the process of financing terrorism? कितने stages होते हैं? Raising, moving, storing and using, ठीक है, so it is how many stages? आपका 4 stages should be right. Yes, हाँ ठीक है, so we have आपका raising, then another one is moving, storing and using आपका, ठीक है, these are the core stages which generally used by these, right? Next one. Which of the following which stage correspondent to evaluation of banker ethical commitment after 10 to 12 years? 10 to 12 years, 5 to 7 initial, senior, so this will come under the middle management, right? Okay, yes, so middle management, initial आपका 5 to 7, middle 7 to 15, ठीक है, more than 15 आपका higher management, ठीक है, bigger than self, we have discussed one question yesterday also, this is the same question I guess, but this is something again can be asked. So the climate change is the global issue, ठीक है, so option B will be right answer for this particular one. Next one, whistleblower protection act 2011, this is first आपका CBI is responsible, no not CBI, it is CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, the first statement is wrong, second statement आपका it passed by President 2014, investigate corruption and others. The next one is the act does not cover fraud and mismanagement for government, it does, so this is wrong, and false flavors act punishment, yes, तो क्या होगा आंसर? सी. Yes, हाँ, 235 will be right answer for this particular question. Next one. Okay. C was the right answer, and here is the end, right? So we tried to आपका quickly revise the areas. Now wish you all the very best for your tomorrow's examination, guys. ठीक है? Stay. What you can do, you can just revise through the PDFs आपका, and if you want to attempt mock, module wise mock A and B or C, you can attempt these 3 mock आपका, ठीक है? And like, ठीक है, do not get scared, just forget about the I and IFS exam, ठीक है? Now you have to give your best, and wish you all the very best for your tomorrow's examination, guys. You all are going to आपका, you all are going to score very good, ठीक है? So it is tomorrow all depend on the question paper. हाँ तन्मय सर, now every day it is depend on आपका question paper. I don't know what IIBF want. I guess they got some आपका strict kind of guidance from IBA कि we want like very less people pass or eligible for the increment, ठीक है? So that's why they are making this particular thing that much tough, ठीक है? If question like I and IFS, then God knows. Now it will happen. Though see, the only thing is now use that elimination technique also, ठीक है? So you have to use the elimination technique also. So Vinod sir and Kavita ma'am and those who are going for the first shift, ठीक है? So I'll be waiting. At least I'll be testing you, ठीक है, with the WhatsApp messages and all. So like if you get out, just do let me know. So like we can help people, those who are going in other shift 3 also, though this doesn't matter, but still like we can let at least आपका revise the areas and things, ठीक है? All right. Numericals, if there will be any one, you can expect around the NPA आपका, ठीक है, non performing assets, that provisioning वाला norms, ठीक है? So that provisioning they can ask. Apart from this, any other topic is there? ठीक है? So now I'll suggest do not explore the new areas. Whatever you have read, so do revise that particular one and all, ठीक है? So Rani ma'am, you also have to connect. Just do let me know whatever it is, ठीक है? Chitra ma'am, I have updated on the app, so please do, you can download from that particular one, हाँ, ठीक है? You can download from the application, ma'am. Chitra ma'am, so I have uploaded in JAIIB folder, JAIIB 2025 folders. I'll upload this one also, so you can directly access from there, right? चलो, wish you all the very best, guys. ठीक है, कल बढ़िया से मचा करके आना है सबको, ठीक है? And try your best so that we can score the maximum, and especially those who left with like last time, those who scored 45 47 and all, try to cover maximum in this particular subject also, ठीक है? So that you can compensate the overall marks and all right? So wish you all the very best, and I'll see you tomorrow at 11 o'clock once you guys will come out. So we'll do the basic analysis and all also, right? So this is it. Bye bye, take care all, and